Hello, welcome back to Aaron's 1025R Adventures. This evening we're installing a set of Bro-Tek 1.5" wheel spacers, and I have a set of Inclinometers to show you, and a little adjustment I made to factory install for my third function on my front end loader. So let me turn this camera around and show you what we're looking at. So here is Bro-Tek's 1.5" wheel spacer. They say 2 inches will fit with a 60-inch deck. 1.5" will be max for a 54-inch deck. This side is the side I'm getting ready to install it on. I have roughly 3 inches clearance right there. Roughly 4 to the backhoe. I've taken off my wheel weights. I've got my tractor blocked up. It takes 18mm socket, 70 foot-pounds of torque. I have my blue Locktite ready. On the other side over here, I've already installed it. So you can see now we're down to about an inch clearance. You can see how much more the tire sticks out. And in here, we have plenty of clearance. We still have 3 inches on this side, which this bracket sticks out further. There we go. There we have about 5 inches on this side. And you can see we have a lot more space right here where the 3-point hooks up. So while I'm on this side of the tractor, I'll throw a picture in. My third function here for my 4-in-1 had a gray wire. So I rerouted it, took it in by the light here. Originally they had it stuck in here. I put some covering over it and taped it up so it looks a lot nicer. Here's my Inclinometer. And then I got a second one up on the roll bar. So let's get on with the install, the wheel spacer. As I said, I've got braced under the back frame of the backhoe there. It's squeaking because I have this sitting on a piece of 4x4 to protect my garage floor. These we won't reuse. Wheel spacers come with new lugs and then studs for where the wheel attaches. I release this to drop it down to get it out of my way. So first thing you do is you check the fit of the spacer on there, make sure it fits on fine, no interference. That fits on good. And what we'll do is we'll lay out our 5 lugs here. Put a little blue Locktite on them. Like so. What you want to do is tighten them in a star pattern. Final torque at 70 pounds, so we'll do 60, 65, and then 70. So I'm just going to run them up to where they just touch. I'll take my torque wrench, set it to 60 foot-pounds. Follow my star pattern. Go to 65. Go to 70. Now where the garage light just turned up. I'll back this back off to 60 in preparation for doing the wheels. I'll turn back on the overhead light and show you the wheel spacer on there. There you go. All torqued down. It's got long studs in there for the wheel weights. I got a 70 pound and a 50 pound wheel weight in there. Let me go ahead and put some blue Locktite on these. Studs make it a lot easier to put on there. It's got the center ring though, so that helps even if it wasn't studs. Run these up to where they're just touching. Once again, this is an 18mm. So I'm doing 60 foot-pounds first. Following my star pattern. And now I'll go 65. Now I'll go to 70. There you have it, the wheel spacer is now installed. You can see the centering ring for it. Let's check our distance there. Much better. Now we're at 5.5. We were at 4. Little trick I do. It's next to the valve stem. I write the tire pressure down. I just use my white paint marker. That way when I check my tires, I'll have to go look up and try to remember what it is for which lawnmower or which vehicle. These are the 70-pound weights. Of course, the side I go to film is going to be difficult. There we go. I'll put some blue Locktite on here. Get the 50-pound weight on. And it has a couple lock nuts, a couple regular nuts. Alright, let's take a look at this. There you go. You can see how it sticks out further now. I showed you the spacing. Now one thing on the wheel on the other side for the mower, I actually spun it around. So when it was up like this, that was awfully close. So you just rotate it around the opposite side and it fits a lot better. See, now you have some clearance. And that's today's episode. Hope you liked it. If so, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and have a good day. Here's a quick look without the backhoe. You got plenty of room for chains now. You can see the added stability that you're getting by having the wider stance. One other little mod I want to throw in on this video is the silicone exhaust redirector. Silicone piece I got off of Amazon after finding it on forums. Redirecting the exhaust up and over the tire. Haven't had any issues. It helps keep the loader stand clean. That's it.